6 years ago this week, I walked into the FDA with one goal: to figure out how we could create an FDA-approved way to test blood sodium at home. For patients with hypothalamic-pituitary brain tumors, sodium imbalance can turn dangerous quickly. Monitoring isn't a convenience, it's critical to survival. I remember being incredibly nervous. I wasn't a device company rep. I wasn't a scientist. I was an advocate and a mom trying to solve a problem. I approached a leader from the FDA's device division and asked her what we could do. She said something simple: "You could start the process." That moment launched everything. We started with a feasibility study, then phase 0 and phase 1 development. Partnerships were forged with Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, and we engaged with Ginner Inc. out of Boston for research and development. Ginner secured NIH SBIR funding, along with investment from the Raymond A Foundation. 6 years later, today, I am holding the prototype of the test cartridge, the most technically complex piece of this entire system. This represents years of persistence, collaboration, and belief that rare disease patients deserve better tools. We're not finished. Next comes final device development, clinical trials, regulatory approval. But this week, during Rare Disease Week, I'm pausing to recognize how far we've come. Innovation in rare disease doesn't happen by accident. It happens because someone asks a question and refuses to stop until we get the answer. And we are not stopping.